Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Shri Hari Raghavendra Academy. In the last class, we have learned about the copy and paste option. We have learned about the cut and paste option. Today, we are learning about the paste special options at the Excel. So, before beginning the class, let us start a class with a prayer. Gnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatumi Sada. So by taking the blessings of Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati, let us start today's class. If you are learning something out of this class and the channel, I request you to click a like button and subscribe to the channel and share it to among your friends. So, what is paste special option? This is one of the important options that the Excel has, which helps us in reducing the time. Say for example, now there is a number called 5 in the H column. Now if I want this number 5 to be added up to this 20 and to make this as 25. Now I want this 5 to be added up to this 25 and to make it as 30. Now I want this 5 to be added up to 35 and make this as 40. 45 should become 50 and 55 should become 60. How do we do it? Usually, if I need to add something between two numbers, I use this formula called equals. I will select the cell and I will click on plus of time. Then I will click on this cell that is 20 and I will press enter. Now we got the 25. What happened here is this calculation created a new column in the G. Okay, but I don't want this to be created in the new column called G. I want this 25 to be calculated in the C column itself. So how can I do this? I can do this with the help of paste special option. Before that, what I have to do is I have to click on Control C option. I have to select the number in which the cell is there. I have to copy that cell. Inside that cell, I have to copy the number and I have to select the cells where this has to be added. Then I have to go to this paste option, paste special option. In the paste special option, we have a operation called add. I'll click on this add and I'll click on OK. See now, without creating a new column, your file got added up to your respective numbers. Similarly, if I want to subtract, say for example, 5 has to be subtracted from this 5, this should become 0. Then if 15 is subtracted from 5, then it has to become 10. How should I do it? I have to again go for press Control C option. I have to first select this Control copy. I have to copy this. I have to select the cells wherein I have to subtract the values from. Go to paste option, paste special option. If we have a subtract option, click on OK. See now everything got subtracted. Similarly, if I have to multiply, select this, select this, go to paste special option, go here and click on multiply and click on OK. Now if I have to divide, select this, go to paste special option, then click on divide, click on OK. So your values are divided. This is how you can make use of paste special option to add, to subtract, to multiply and divide the values without creating a new column. Now we have one more function in Excel which is called transpose function. So what is basically transpose means? Transferring your row data to a column data and column data can be transferred to a row data. Say for example, now I have a sales data of the company. Okay, this sales data is for a month of January, February, March and April. Okay. Now, sales data is from India, Australia, Sri Lanka, and America. So, this is sales data of a company which has its branch in India, Australia, Sri Lanka, and America for the month of January, February, March, and April students. Now, for the month of January, India sales is 2 lakh, Australia sales is 4 lakh, Sri Lanka sales is 50 lakh, and America sales is 3,50,000. Now, what I want is, I want this data which is of January, February, March, and April, which is there in the rows, to come as a column heading. Now, countries like India, Australia, Sri Lanka, which are your column headings, should appear to the rows. What we usually do, we'll again start to type like this. For example, India, Australia, then again I will type month like January 26. So this is like a tedious job, hectic job. It is a lot of time consuming option, isn't it? So what I will do is I will first select the data like this and I will click on copy option. I will copy the data. Then I will place my cursor here and I will go to paste option, paste special option. Here I have a data, I have an option called transpose. I will just click on this transpose option, click on OK. See now what happened? See all your row data of Jan, Feb, March, April has now appeared in column January 26, February 26, March 26, and April 26. And all your column heading like India, Australia, Sri Lanka country names are now appearing in rows. Here India, Australia, Sri Lanka, and America. This is this is the advantage of transpose function, which can easily transmit your row data to column data, and column data can be transferred to a row data. Okay. Now I have something called undo and redo options in an Excel. What is undo? Undo reverses a lost option. And what is the shortcut key for undo is Control Z. Redo is Control Y. Say for example, by mistake you would have typed as 500. Okay. Say for example, you have written it as 500 and you thought it is a mistake. Then you will press delete button here. Then later you recognize that 500 was the actual right value. But what do I do? Now I have to press, I want to redo, undo my last option. That means that if I'm pressing my Control Z, 500 will appear back. This is the shortcut key. Okay. And if I press Control Y, it will do a redo option. That means that it restores the undone action. Whatever I have done previously, it does it back to same option. I deleted first 500 value, right? It will do. So if I'm pressing Control Z, 500 will come again. If I don't want it, then Control Y. So this is the advantage of undo and redo option. If at all, if you have done any mistake, then you will delete it. Later on, you recognize that that is correct option, then you will be pressing Control Z. Then again, if you feel that it is wrong and you want to delete it, then Control Y. So this is the advantage of undo and redo options. Now we have autofill and flash fill options, which we will be discussing in the next class. So if you have liked today's class, which I talked about the paste special options for addition, subtraction, multiplications, and division, then transpose options and undo and redo options. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, my dear students. Have a nice day.